I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the lower control arm on a Dodge Charger full guide. Park on level ground, engage the parking brake, and chock the rear wheels right away. Next, loosen lug nuts, lift the car with a jack, and support it securely with jack stands. Confirm you have the correct replacement arm and matching hardware before removing suspension components to avoid delays during reassembly. Begin by removing the wheel and inspecting the hub and brake assembly for obvious damage. Support the hub or knuckle to prevent it from dropping when you unbolt the control arm. Remove the sway bar link and any brackets that obstruct the control arm bolts. If bolts are seized, apply penetrating oil and let it soak before using a breaker bar or impact to avoid rounding fasteners and causing extra repairs. Fit the new lower control arm into place and hand thread pivot bolts to align bushings without stress. Tighten bolts to specified torque using a calibrated torque wrench and reconnect the sway bar link and any removed brackets. Reinstall the wheel, lower the car, and torque the lug nuts correctly. Finally, take the Charger for a professional wheel alignment to correct toe and camber, ensuring safe handling and even tire wear after the repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.